Hey, what's going on, YouTubulous? EXO coming at you here with first of many RC extravaganzas for this channel. I just posted up a reconing video inside Little Blue, changing my coil configuration down to our all lower ohm load dual 0.7s. The video is doing fantastic. I did not expect that at all. I just reconed the sub and then did some testing later on in the season that I wanted to show off the 161 decibel score. Certified score on the Term Lab at a show 3X events. I was very happy about that. So I'm gonna use the excitement and post up a video with my dad, my sister, hanging out, having so much fun at our Christmas vacation. I've been sitting on this footage for just a little bit, so my excitement level is pretty damn high because a lot of this stuff I hadn't seen before, like some of the jumps, some of the, the maneuvering in the snow, and I even got my dad to handle the machine just a little bit too. And my brothers make a tiny little debut saying hello with their tiny little remote control cars. They got them on Amazon for Christmas from my suggestion. So if you want to check that out, I'll also include everything you see in the description. So let's go ahead and start the show and have some fun, shall we? Did you just do a backflip?
Did a whole flip.
What?
Whoa, easy now.
Holy crap! Danielle, try to hit this jump again. Holy cow! That would have been a double. I wonder if you can get a double off this.
This thing's cool.
Yeah, it is. Now try to get that double. Almost 1.5. Dag's legs getting chewed apart.
Yeah.
Nice! Perfect landing.
I love that. Nice.
That was a perfect single. Perfect single.
It really was.
Yeah, you're right.
Another perfect single. Hey Danielle, do a nice full throttle burnout. Holy crap.
Oh, yeah!
If you push the trigger forward in the air, you should do a front flip.
Bob, how
Wait,
does that work?
wait,
I
what?
don't get that.
What do you mean?
Centrifugal force of the wheels.
It'll do a front flip forward?
Yeah. Hey! She almost just did the front flip though. That was almost first try. Nice. Did you hear it go? "Burp"?
Like you don't get good on it. Nice.
What? She had to lift her foot up.
Keep driving.
I
like
can't
don't
believe
get
you almost got
good
that
on it.
front flip first try.
I pretty much did.
Yeah. Get some air. Almost. But do you see? Yeah. Do you see how it stalled out the backflip? Whoa! You did a stall. Did you see it stall back?
Yeah, it saved it from
From-
on its back.
That's how. Yes, that's how you control your machine in the air.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Dude, Danielle, you're a professional. Nice. Still landed it. Still landed it. Get some power.
Do you know where the steering wheel is?
It's so hard for me to go, not all the way fast, though. The steering.
What the hell?
Ew!
Oh my gosh.
That's close.
Aren't these things fun, man?
They really are.
Nice.
You had it though.
Wait a second. What am I supposed to be doing in the air?
Pushing the trigger forward. All right, here we go. Front flip.
Here we go.
Get some good speed, stable speed. Good speed. Good speed. Fresh speed.
I can't steer it. It's too much to think about.
Nice stable speed.
Put the handles on.
Another perfect backy.
Oh, it's freaking awesome.
Yep, that was a backy. How's it feel? Pretty
Awesome.
yeah. Ah, yes, nothing like hanging out with the good old fam damly, and I thought it was so cool how we could all have so much fun just playing with these toy cars. Got my 2 little brothers, my dad, and even my sister to have a blast with these things. So many smiles, so much fun. Holy crap! That was like a McTwist. Hey, Danny, try to do reverse donuts. Nice. Danielle, you just did a perfect...
I just did that.
A perfect symmetrical symbol.
Holy shit, I did.
Look, I'm holding a bunch of balloons. Look at the video. I'm holding a bunch of balloons. Danielle's freaking tearing it up. I got 5% battery. I'm gonna have to call it quits on this one though.